late 80s and early 90s on the manufacturing shop floor. Handling machines myself, crafting that, it requires a lot of precision. It requires intense devotion and engagement. So if you're not engagement, you do not have that engagement, you should not be in the manufacturing domain at all. Shop floor is all about precision. Yes, it is all about repetitive activities, definitely. But precision is very important because that's what creates a value in your product. If you don't have that, your product is not valued. The quality, it comes from human and the precision and the integration of the machines. Challenges in the shop floor. I've been engaged with manufacturing operations in the organization for the past couple of years, many years. I've spent time on the shop floor, integrated the entire manufacturing execution systems on the shop floor, understood the challenges. The biggest challenge comes in from not about information flow. Information, once you have put in a system for information flow, that definitely provides you all the information, integrates the entire, from the start of the manufacturing operation till the end of the manufacturing operation. It gives you entire visibility into what you have to do, what decision you have to carry out, and it puts in the kind of quality checks into the system. Without that, you cannot move to the next station at all. The challenge comes in terms of from people perspective, the people availability, the skill sets of the people. That's an area of concern definitely for all manufacturing operations. And how do you overcome that? You have to work with technology institutes, organizations to create that skill sets, have curriculums. I'm seeing that a lot of these changes are coming in IT domain also. A lot of IT organizations are partnering with engineering institutes for providing IT-related technical trainings. The same has to be done for the shop floor, for the manufacturing operations. The other challenge comes in terms from the variability in demand or variability in production. From a perspective of you have put a product on the line and you are expecting that the material is going to come in and it does not come in. You will have your complete shop floor come to a halt. What do? One thing that every manufacturing does is they cannot stop manufacturing. Come what may. Come what may, trains in India will not stop, the mail in India will not stop, and sale in India will not stop. So this is something you have to keep on manufacturing. So you have to change your plans. You have to take out that material, your product out, and bring in a new different one. That changes your entire requirement. So supplier challenges. So because of supply challenges, again you got into the cycle of changing your production plan, and that production plan is causing this havoc in the entire manufacturing shop floor. So that's another area which you need to work on, and that's a challenge which is a realistic challenge which will continue. Suppliers are geared for it. In fact, they have set up warehouses across near your manufacturing plants with the relevant material, but the last minute shortages definitely do come up. These are two areas which I see is a big challenge. From a digitization perspective, uh, you brought in the digitization, the IT and the organization brought in the digitization, the adoption of the digitization, adoption of working as per the digital framework or as per the instructions, etc. At times, you have to bypass a lot of things. So that again brings an aspect into the product from a quality perspective. So how do you handle those challenges? You you have to somehow overcome them in terms of giving insight, giving visibility, continuously training people. We work 24/7. Same machine, same operation, three different people are working in three different shifts. Shift A will manufacture a product which is higher quality. Shift B will manufacture it as per his this thing, and C will have a different model. So those are challenges. You would not have this continuous streamed manufacturing quality coming in until unless you have controls which have been built in.